Hi, it's Tom. I would like to share with you today what I found in my 2018 S63 4matic Plus. This will be the secret service menu, which you can access by pressing and holding home button and tapping once touch control. So this is the home button and this is touch control. So first we need to set ignition to position number 1, but because this is keyless go car, we will press only once the start button. This will give us this first screen and it's on position. Then we need to set the middle of the screen to odometer reading. So we will go home, set trip, odometer, so we have miles now. Then we will press and hold home button and tap once touch control, and there it is. Now we can access very interesting settings. First will be vehicle data. So we have, for me it's very important to see the voltage, and then we have dynamometer test. You can check on dyno how much horsepower the engine produces. Then you have brake pad replacement. Now we can set the system, set the car in the mode to replace the brake pads. It's very easy. And the last one is assist plus, and here after ignition on we can reset service interval or tell the car that we done service, full service. So there it is, secret service menu in new S-Class. Well, this is S63 4matic Plus. Thank you, have a good day.